My family's been working in the maple industry for 7 generations. We're tapping trees now that my great-great-grandfather tapped back in the 1800s. Family farms are valuable in a number of ways. They're bringing good food, into local farm markets. They're maintaining a way of life that's been around for generations. The footprint that they leave is much smaller on the overall environment, and they're very conscientious of the product they make. Being certified organic, we're trying to be greater stewards of the land. The farmers tend to be, if they're certified organic, more aware of the land. Not trying to say that other farmers are not, but if they've went as far as to get certified organic, they did it for a reason. What it is an assurance to the consumer that it's a clean product. It's a guarantee to the consumer that at every step of the procedure, every step of production, an inspection has been done and test has been done to guarantee that it's a clean product. Nothing has gotten into the system that shouldn't be there. When we do tap trees, we're very particular about not over-tapping. We use the health spout, so it does less damage to the tree, 75% less damage than the regular spout, without greatly decreasing the flow. The primary reason is that with health spouts we have a tubing system and vacuum, and the vacuum helps keep the flow going. The vacuum tubing has other benefits besides just being able to cut down on trips to the tree. It allows many farmers to continue staying on the land, whereas one man can handle about 500 trees on his own with buckets. One man alone with tubing could probably handle 5,000 trees. Being energy efficient is also the same as just being dollar-wise, in the sense that if you're saving energy, you're saving money, and it helps the environment too. So through the usage of our reverse osmosis machines, we're able to save over 75% of our fuel consumption. I think the future of maple is very strong. Organic also is strong. It's the fastest growing segment of the maple industry. The consumer wants the assurance that it's a clean product. It's a more natural way of producing food. I grew up in it. All my siblings worked in it. My kids work in it, some now. Been in it a long time. They're the 8th generation. I don't know if they're going to stay with it, but we'll see.